you write down 2 lines, write down your theme. Okay. What an interesting picture. Let me see. Okay. Now let's have somebody ready. Who can give this picture? Whoever is ready, 1, 2 guys, I will give a chance. Who is ready?
Sir, may I?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Gagandeep is the first one, and
Karandeep, sir.
Sagarika Shah is the second one. 2 stories will have, so that you agree. Based on that, you just check your own story. Yes, Gagandeep Singh.
Yes, sir. So the main character of my story is Mukul. So one day during his recess, he saw some people beating up his friend, which was his classmate. So he called the PT sir and saved his friend. And later on, they both joined martial art class, and they encouraged their other friends to take martial art class for their self defense for later use.
Okay, guys, you saw that. Now his hero called straightway. Though he made a reasonably okay story, I will call his story average. Now, guys, why I am calling his story average? See this. Firstly, the hero came. His intentions were good. He wanted to diffuse the situation. But look at his dependency. He couldn't do it himself. He went and reported the matter. I think you said PT teacher. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He reported the matter to the PT teacher. See this, he couldn't do it himself. Okay. So your hero is not coming out as a really dynamic person. See this. And then the PT teacher comes and he's the one, he sees the situation, not what your hero has done. At least he's taken an initiative. I grant you for that. He intervened. Yes, I grant you for that. But couldn't he do this on his own? Look, we'll see. How come your story could have been far better? Let me hear Sagarika Shah now. Go ahead, Sagarika.
Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers, and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364052525 to inquire and register. Now let's get back to the video.
So in my story, there's the main character is Ram, and so it's his birthday. So all his friends are like giving him birthday bumps, and then a teacher sees and thinks they're fighting, but all of them, including Ram, tells them it's not fighting; it's just a friendly thing which these people are doing to me for my birthday. That's what I thought.
Okay, now Sagarika Ghosh has gone wrong. See this. She assumed something which was not the possible. That's what the realistic approach to the picture is not there in Sagarika. Sagarika, you better see the picture properly. Look at this. Now, if you see the picture, these bullies are really beating him up. Look at this man crying. You can see his tears in his eyes. Look, this man, the way. Can they be joking? Yeah. So, 3 people and the way this man has fallen down, just think. So you are not being realistic, Sagarika. If you write this kind of story, it means your factor 1, which is effective intelligence and reasoning ability, maybe not very good. That's what the psychologist is going to assume. So look at this in picture. Now, guys, you see that the 3 bullies are troubling this boy, which is obviously has fallen down. The way he has fallen down, you can imagine. You see the facial reactions of these guys, they are outright to bully him and beat him. See, there is a man coming. The hero is coming. The hero could be, of course, a senior guy, or he sees that his own classmates, or whatever way you want to make it, are troubling a junior, maybe ragging him. He tells them, please don't do. Or he could be college secretary, young college secretary, or college captain, or anything you want to make him. And he says, guys, don't do it. This is not within the rules and regulations of the college. If you don't do it, he threatens them. I will report the matter to the principal. And these guys know, because he's a secretary of the college and they know he means business and they can't risk that. He immediately stops the fight. After that, he tells them politely, yeah, guys, don't trouble a youngster, yeah. And after that, he makes them friends. See this, your hero. He has good interpersonal skills. He's got good leadership. Look at that boy. And look, he had the guts to intervene. Look that he stopped the fight. Look that he resolved the situation peacefully. Guys, can a hero be better than that? At least your hero should take 2-3 actions. Now, guys, numerous of you would have written your reactions. I know I can't hear all 53 reactions. See this. These are the stories people make. Resolving the conflict between students, yes, a very, very common thing, and it's generally a good thing. Let me tell you. It is looking like that because all guys are looking in the same dress, so it is most likely of students. See this, their dresses are also similar. Okay, beating a bully. Now, ऐसा भी हो सकता है 3-4 guys, there is a bully and they bloody get hold of the bully and they beat him. It could be other way around also. The man maybe, that can also be a possibility. Helping a colleague, see this, a colleague, friend who's unnecessarily getting beaten up. It could also be that. Helping a student or some people, right, child getting, these are your reactions only which I have written of the class. Child getting beaten up. There is no child here. Don't write him as a child. He's a student or he's a young boy. Okay. Taking student or a friend out of a bad company. Yes, he's fallen into a bad company. See this. And ultimately they take him out of the company. You can build a theme on these lines also. Helping someone who has fallen. No, this kind of thing may not do. He has not fallen. They are not helping him out. Their reaction do not tell that. How can this theme be correct? See, this is what I'm trying to do. Your stories have to be realistic.
Sir, can the victim become the hero at the end?
Why not? Why not? Now, it is difficult. If your victim is so powerful, he can become a part hero. How? The hero in this case is obviously the person who is coming from behind. If your victim is, listen, he can become a hero if he's a taekwondo qualified. He's so powerful, and in turn, he takes a panga with them and beats 2 of them. In the meantime, somebody comes, and these guys also realize that the victim is not like that, but the victim is crying. There are virtually tears and so on. In this case, it may be difficult. And the hero, which is obviously being thrown out in the scene, is the man who is walking towards them. So if you do that, it will be very difficult for you to handle your story. I can't change your original thinking, guys.
So that man, that is the hero which you are talking about, can be the big brother of the victim.
Can be big brother of the victim. Could be.
Yeah, and he is coming to help him.
Could be. So again, the hero is the big brother, guys. So I will not stop you to write your original story. My job is to telling you the various aspects, how you can go about it. What are the possibilities? See, all the stories have been made by my students only. Some are wrong, some are punishing a student, child stealing, misbehaving. People write this kind of theme also. What I am showing you are the realistic themes which have been given by the candidate.
If you are struggling with spoken English, then register for our next English speaking course which starts on the 11th of every month. Call us to register now.